Hello there. You are welcome to New Focus Approach to Mathematics Basic 9. This is the revised edition, and in this lesson, we want to look at discounts, another aspect of the application of percentages. And this lesson can be found in page 84. So let's look at discount. This is more or less a revision. Remember, we've done this topic already in year 2, and we are doing it again in year 3. Okay, so it's more or less revision. Like I said, we remember that we said a discount is a reduction in the original price of an item or service. It is often used in sales and promotions to make items more attractive to customers. Discounts are usually expressed as percentage, as we know. So sometimes you walk around shops and you see 50% discount, or you see minus 20%. I mean, you want to go there and buy because the items over there have been reduced in terms of percentages. And we also learned that when we say discount, discount can be given in terms of percentages. For example, I can say 50% discount. That means we are calculating 50% of the total cost and we reduce it by that amount. Or we can give discount in terms of money. For example, a price maybe of an item is 50,000, and then we can say, okay, we are giving you discount of 1,000, and so you pay 49,000. I mean, that can also be based on the way the question comes up with. Now, let's take example and see how we can learn about this. This is a shop owner of a supermarket grants 10% for all cash sales. And once they say 10% of all cash sales means that they are giving you a discount. A man bought an item marked 8,850 cedis 95 pesos as the selling price. Find how much he paid after the 10% discount has been granted to such a customer. And so here now the mark price, the original price of the item is 8,850 cedis 95 pesos. Now, if you give someone a discount of 10%, then we can find 10%, okay, 10% is 10 over 100 times the total or the original price of the item, okay, original price of the item. So when we find this 10%, it will be in terms of money, some amount. Then we subtract it from the original price. Then we'll know how much the customer paid for the item after giving 10% discount. So let's do a simple calculation here. Of course, we can do 1 0, cancel this 0 here, and then that gives us 8850.95 divided by 10. And we know any number divided by 10 is very easy. It's just a matter of moving decimal point to your left or backwards. And so this will just move a decimal point here. And so our answer becomes 885.095. So this is the amount that the owner is going to give free to the customer who purchased any item using cash. So how much would the person pay? We are going to have it as 8850.95 minus 885.095. So when we subtract 885 from the 8,850, then we can get our answer. And so that is going to give us 7,965.855. Now, so this is the amount of money the customer will pay for the item after giving 10% discount. That is 7,965 cedis, 855 pesos. Right. Let's take another example. Jamila wants to buy a laptop originally priced at 1,200 that is currently on a 25% off sale. How much would Jamila pay after getting this discount? Once again, we do 25%, okay, times 1,200 being the original price. If we do simple cancellation, we are going to have 25%, or sorry, 25 times 12, which I know you can easily do this simple multiplication, and that will give you 300. Now, 300 is the discount that has been given to Jamila. Now, how much would Jamila pay? Because the original price was 1,200, we subtract the 300 from that, and that will give us the new price. So Jamila will pay 900 cedis for an item or the laptop that is supposed to be 1,200. Given a 25% discount is a very big discount. So Jamila is now going to pay 900 Ghana cedis for this very laptop. Right. Let's take the last example and see. A market price of a TV set is 3,500. A discount of 5% of the marked price is allowed for the cash payment. Find the selling price of the TV set if Mr. Opoku paid cash for it. Now, when they say marked price, we know marked price simply means original price. We said that earlier. And so if the TV set is 3,500 and 5% discount has been given, then we are going to have this simple calculation. Of course, we do 2 zeros cancel out, and we have 5 times 35. Great. And we know how to multiply the number by 5, which is very simple. So 5 times 35 will just give us 175. We just subtract 1 from the 3, 34, 35 and get 34. Divided by 2, get 70, attach 0, and that becomes your answer. Now we can say, okay, 3,500 is the original price for the TV set. So 3,500. Good. Now when we subtract 175 from this, we'll have 3,325 to be our answer. That's 3,325 will be the price that Mr. Opoku will pay for this TV set. I believe this has been of great help to you. Go ahead, solve more questions and master this concept. Thanks so much for watching.